Looking for a better way to create your titles and to rank higher in terms of search in YouTube. One of the very good tools that I have come across and which many are using is tubebuddy official site. So you can go to this under Google, click it open, and it's written, of course, your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Now go to pricing and look at it as there are many different levels. If you start, you can have you can have a free channel, free if you want to just hang around and see what it is, get a feel of it. So you see there are certain features that are being compared between the free, the pro, the star, and the legend. Of course, the prices are different, but you can start with the free if you are afraid of the cost, and you can slowly upgrade yourself so that you can be better off, you have more functions, and you have more ways to make yourself more productive and increase your role in YouTube. Now just look at it. For this is the pro value. The pro is $9 per month, which is US $9, and you can have a 50% off if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. So there are conditions that you can get maybe about US $450 if you are a small channel, or if you have more channels than one, you can also ask for special pricing. Or if you go for a yearly discount, you can do a yearly, you get 20% off. Okay, and of course the most popular is the star, which is 19, but it's up to you what you want to do. So maybe as a beginner you may find that I want to go for a free chat trial, and as I get used to it, then I might go for a pro. Okay, now I just want to show you the starter's way of using the tubebuddy. This is my channel, this is tubebuddy, and I will go for keyword explorer. So example, I wanted to choose a topic, what is in my drawer. Then I will just explore, and you see that this is actually under unweighted is poor. Unweighted means this is for the general public, how they will actually rank against the rest in terms of using this title or this condition. You see the search volume is excellent. It's about 2.3 million in the number of videos in terms of search results, but the competition is very poor because there are a lot of competitors in this area who are ranking very high, so it's hard for you to rank higher than them. Optimization strength is excellent, and there are also some other suggestions of what is in my drawers all around Audrey, what is in my vanity drawers. Sometimes you also have web searches, what is the black stuff in my washing machine drawer, what is in my bedroom drawer. These are suggestions of what is being searched on the web. And video topics, sometimes they have, sometimes they don't have, depends on whether the situation. Now just look at it. If I were to do a slight change, because this is a very general keyword, or you're looking at what is in my drawer, so there's a lot of competition. But what you can try to reduce the competition and your chance of ranking is to make it a little more detailed in terms of your niche. Just say what is in my little, just say here, little bottom drawer. Okay, now you see suddenly unweighted becomes very good and weighted becomes excellent, which means for yourself you are actually doing a very, very excellent choice of title. Look at it, search volume is good, it's about number of videos is about 2.19 million. Then competition is also excellent. That means you don't have many people who are competing in this area. Optimization strength is good because you can also optimize. Now you can put a little cursor over the question marks, and you can see what is being described. For example, optimization strength. This number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. If they are not well optimized, then it provides you an opportunity to break in and rank for the keyword by properly optimizing your video, putting this keyword in your title, description, and text. Okay, so you can see that you actually have a very good chance, so you can actually use this title. Okay, so you can see, okay, what is next then? You go for action, go for optimize in SEO Studio. Now bear in mind that in your free version, you may not have many of these functions that you can see in my version because I'm using the pro version. But of course, it's for beginners to get used, to get familiar with it. You can actually use the free version, and if once you're comfortable, you feel that you like it, you can upgrade. Okay, now this is the next page, which is actually creating the title. This is what is in my little bottom drawer, and you look at the right hand side here, it actually has a checklist of, for example, include your target keyword in the title. Whatever is green, you have done. Whatever is in red, it is the one that you need to improve. For example, here it says include your target keyword naturally in the title. Now, why is it naturally important that you key in naturally? Because the algorithm for YouTube, they will actually look at your title, and if they feel that it doesn't make sense or it doesn't look like sound like a sentence, it can be a spam and they may not want to allow you to rank. So example, just say what is in my little bottom drawer. You can add in a on my desk. See, you notice the TubeBuddy SEO score will go up to 86% from earlier. Earlier it was 63%, 62%. Okay, on my desk. Okay, then it goes up 83%. Then now you see the red one is include partial matches of your target keyword in the description. What does this mean? Here is a description. So in the first 200 characters, try to have what is your keyword, which is here, what is in my little bottom drawer, and try to repeat it, but in a way that it makes sense. Just say, for example, now we see is the TubeBuddy SEO score is 86%. So it's what is in my little bottom drawer. Then I continue on my desk. You notice that the score goes up to 95%. You will find out what is in my little bottom drawer if you follow my video. Come, follow me and find out what is in my little bottom drawer on my desk. Okay, so you will try to do it so that it becomes almost 95% to 100%. Okay, you can put there my little bottom drawer contains my precious collection of stamps. Okay, so then if once all these are green, you go to next. So you will see your text. The text are also important because the YouTube algorithm will look at your title, what is your description, what is your tag, and make sure that they all kind of match. Then it will promote your video so that more people will see your videos, of course. So that's the main purpose, is to try and make it so that the algorithm for YouTube will pick your video and recommend it to users. Once they see it, then it's up to you. What is your thumbnail, your content, and your title, whether it is attractive to users. So just say, for example, here is my text. There are some suggestions. If I think they're okay, I'll click them. Okay, then I can add in my desk drawer, my kitchen drawer, things I put in my DRAWER. These are all the tags that are maybe partial matches, which are not exact matches, so that it gives a wider search scope for those who are trying to find. For example, somebody is trying to find out things I put in my drawer in the search, and they actually will come to the same page because this is under a tag. See, it's moved to about 99%. You see. Do you want to know what is in my drawer? Happy to show you what is in my desk drawer. go for the longer sentences because it goes to 100%. Okay, then all these are green already. Then you go next. Then you'll see your video title compared to the other titles which are ranking first, second, third. So you actually know roughly, do my thumbnails look good? Does my title look good? Have I got a chance to rank? No? Okay, then once you've done that, go to next. Then you can save draft for the optimization so that whenever you do and use your TubeBuddy in your videos, you can actually pull all that you have keyed in, so you don't have to key in again. Okay. Now I found out there was another very interesting part of this TubeBuddy, which I think so far nobody has actually mentioned about it. Just say I go for TubeBuddy, I go for my account, I go for members perks. Okay. So you see that now please note all users with a paid TubeBuddy license receive the following awesome member perks. So this is basically the important point about being a pro member. At least that means free members will not get this. So that's why it is important that you think about getting a free a paid membership, at least a pro license, which is about US $450, or if you do yearly, it's less than 20%. Okay. Now you get, for example, TubeBuddy Mobile, which means you can use TubeBuddy on your mobile phone. It used to be US $2.99 per month, now it's free. Tuber Tools, this is high quality graphics and video effects for your YouTube channel. Used to be US $20 a month, now it's free. Of course, it may be a sample of sets, but you can start downloading and see what's inside once you have at least a pro version. Now next one is very important, is where a lot of people are looking for audio or music. So you find that there's an Audio Hero where it used to be for US $9.99 per month, now it's free. You can get access to 250,000 premium royalty-free music tracks and sound effects. So you got to apply for the access. So if you want to look at this as a summit, is make YouTube your business. Learn how to grow your channel rapidly and monetize your audience. So it used to be US $99, now it's free. And you have also got the YouTube Starter Kit sample pack here. Video topics, thumbnails, end screen, and cut templates, which used to be US $99, now it's free. Of course, there's a sample. And if you want to go for channel consultation, there's a price, but things that it may be expensive. So I'm thinking whether you want to, it's up to you. The next one I'm looking at which is free, is Jukedex, which is musical artificial intelligence. Computer generated audio tracks, which used to be US $1 per track. It's not that's $1 per subscription, it's what per track. Now it's free. Now just for example, I go into the download tracks, I see the sounds here. Don't you think it sounds nice? And then you can download if you want. Okay, so this is where you have free jukebox. So these are AI or artificial intelligence created tracks. Okay, now let's go back to members perks. Okay. Okay. Then you also have other options like Place It, which is at 30% off the price. Then you also have Collab Space, the fastest growing collaboration community for creators in the world, which you can join 1 year free instead of US $9.99 per month. You can get access. Then if you want Filmora 9, which is for video edition, it's 1 month free and 10% off thereafter. So you can try the free option. Then you can have Epidemic Sounds for 25% off, and the Measurement Studio is a 25% off. So you can find that with the option, you actually have a lot of free areas you can use. Especially, I think in particular is the Audio Hero, which a lot of people are looking for premium royalty-free music, which you can use rather than you always get a royalty strike. So I will put the link to TubeBuddy in my video. It's below my video. If you subscribe to TubeBuddy using the link I provided, you will actually give me a side commission which I'm earning from tubebuddy, but there's no additional cost to you. So once you are also a member, a paid member, then you also have an affiliate link which you also can promote to other members. So in a way, it will also help you to earn more income. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it and found out the secret tools which I found by myself, and I don't think you've seen it anywhere else. So do look around and try it, and it will help you to improve your tubebuddy or your video experience. So I will end this video